Selling a home as a for sale by owner listing is not an easy thing to do. I've personally talked to hundreds of for sale by owner sellers, and almost all of them have mentioned having issues with things like marketing the property, finding time to be there for showings, executing the legal documents, or even just knowing what the steps are in the process that get a property from listed to sold. On top of all those headaches, they're constantly dealing with other people blowing up their phones trying to win their business, not buy their house. It's no wonder 89% of for sale by owner sellers either end up listing with an agent or just deciding not to sell at all. But what if you could hire an agent on an as-needed basis to take care of specific tasks and advise you for a low flat fee per service? Well, you can with Falaya. That's right. If you're trying to sell your home on your own and you ever reach a point where you just need some assistance, you can hire one of our licensed Falaya agents for a low flat fee per service. You shouldn't have to pay 5 to 6% when all you need is a little help with a document or some advice on negotiating an offer. If you're trying to sell your home yourself, I invite you to check out falaya.com/pricing to view our selection of on-demand realtor services, or just give us a call. We're here to help whether you decide to list with us or not. Falaya, it's real estate reimagined.